Hi there, Year 8. Welcome to the second week. Well done for completing the first week. For most of you, that was quite a challenge, I think, and I hope that you've enjoyed doing things right. This week, we're looking at pressure. And to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to talk you through what you need to do. Okay, so here we are on the Google Classroom site. My view is a little bit different to yours because I get to see what I'm assigning, and you don't get that view. If I can scroll up a little bit, well, can I go up? No, I can't go up and go only down. Okay. So it says, watch the video linked so you know what to do. That's this video. You're watching it at the moment. Well done. 2 thumbs up. You've succeeded on task 0. That's brilliant. Next, it says, go to Doddle and find the pressure lesson. 3 pressure presentations, do a revision task, then take the mini quiz. So if I go over to Doddle, you can see I've got Doddle Teacher here, and my view, a little bit different to yours again, says that here are 3 presentations. We've got presentation looks like this. If I click on it, it just loads for me for a moment, and then click through. It says it's about atmospheric pressure. Air pressure depends on the altitude, how high up you are, and so on. So it tells me lots of information. Wonderful. So I can then close that one, go to the second one, which is actually part 3, and then there's part 4 as well. When you've done 3 presentations, let's make sure this one opens as well. Plug-in block. Now, if we've got a plug-in block, that means we've got to do something, doesn't it? So let's click. It says, I clicked on the little blocker there. It says manage. And I'm going to say, ask first. Okay, so we're fine. It should be allowing Doddle to do it, but I guess it's not. So let's go back here. Click on it again. Run Flash this time. There we go. And now I go down to the bottom left-hand corner, launch presentation, and now the interactive stuff is going to work. Okay, so this is pressure in liquids, yada, yada, it goes through. How many boats, like, how am I floating in the water? Okay, so it's got upthrust. Yes, it's all interactive and happy. Then it says we can go on, yes, gravity and stuff, right-clicking instead of left-clicking. So anyway, you go through it. When you've done my emails, it's come to the pressure worksheet. You don't have to do, you can't see that one. You can only see pressure origin and the quiz. The reason you can't see it is because I've attached an edited version, so it looks better for your work. This is the revision, so you need to know how to do some stuff. So let's click next, click next. It even reads it for you if I click on it. That should sound like. Maybe it sounds
produces a lower pressure. For example, shoes with a large flat surface area exert a lower pressure on the ground. A force spread.
It's true. Absolutely wonderful. Right, so let's go back to Doddle one more time. Let's close that tab so I don't have quite so many on top. Then you've got a pressure mini quiz, and I'll ask you some questions. If it pops up with a blocker, let's unblock it. But it says initializing content. You get 1 attempt at each question. There's no time limit. There's 25 marks. I get to see how many marks you get. So each one's out of 25. Here we go. So the pressure is that something is one of these over a certain something. Now, I haven't written the right answers in there. Don't copy mine. So I'm just trying to trick you. Let's go back again to where we are. When you've done that in Doddle, it says on your instructions in Google that you need to then adaptive version of the worksheet, schedule you, and so do it and submit it here in the classroom. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that the first added thing, it says pressure worksheet 1, adaptive distance learning. When you click on it, it's going to come up hopefully as a Word document which you can type on. You should be able to type on it. If you can't type on it, maybe print it as a PDF. You don't have to print it out on paper. You can print it out as a PDF and then use a PDF editor to write on it, or you can try other clever skills. There is a version of it inside the Google folder. Anyway, so you open up this sheet. Your name and date aren't necessary to submit from me. It says circle represents guess it inside a container. There's question 1, question 2, there's question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, when you've done it, let's go back to your Google place. On your Google Classroom page, you've got a button that says Add as well. And when you click Add, you can submit. When you've submitted, it should say there'll be a green tab in the right-hand corner which says you have submitted your work, you've done your task. When you've done it, you've done it, and that's all. So let me know how you get on. I hope everything's good. I'm also going to upload a video with my children doing some pressure investigations soon. They might get onto this this schedule. So watch this space. Okay, have a lovely morning. Take care. Be good. Where's my pause button? There it is. Bye.